Hey guys, it's Chef Nick with Chartwells. Today we're going to make some polar bear hot chocolate. We're going to start off with making the hot chocolate itself, and it's super easy. We have these chocolate milk containers that we send home with you on the take-home lunches, and it's simple as just opening it up and heating it. You can put it in the microwave for 1 or 2 minutes, or you can heat it up on the stovetop just until it's hot enough. If you don't have actual chocolate milk, you can take regular white chocolate and just add about 1 or 2 candy bars to it. Heat it up either in the microwave for a minute or 2 or on the stovetop, mix it all up, and you got hot chocolate. Like I said, we're going to make polar bear hot chocolate, and what makes it polar bear hot chocolate is the polar bear. So you'll need 1 jumbo marshmallow, 1 regular sized marshmallow, and 2 of the mini marshmallows. You also need a couple of pretzels to put everything together, some junior mint candies, some eyeball candies, and a little bit of frosting, and some whipped cream and sprinkles to decorate. So we'll get started with putting our bear together. And what we'll do first is put the ears on. All you need is 1 of your little pretzels and kind of break it in half so you can stick 1 part in the top where you want the ear to be. And then you take the other half of the pretzel and stick it on the other side where you want the ear to be. And then you take your mini marshmallows and put them over the pretzels and just kind of firmly push on there so they stick in to the pretzel and don't fall off. And we'll do that on both sides. Sometimes you lose your pretzel a little bit, and that's all right as long as you get it to kind of stick on there, just like that. So now that we have the ears on, we're going to put on our mouth, and we're going to use the regular size marshmallow for that. And all you do is cut it in half. You can use scissors or a knife. Scissors are a little bit easier. And you're going to take another half of a pretzel, and you're going to put it on the very front of the jumbo marshmallow where the ears are. Just kind of like a Pinocchio nose. Just like that. And then you're going to put the side that you cut on the front of the jumbo marshmallow so that it sticks a little bit better. And we'll just kind of shape it. And you can see the ears are coming up a little bit, and that's okay. You can put them back down. And sometimes it takes a couple tries to get it just right. All right. So we're going to take our cookie icing and make a dot in the middle. And what this is going to do is act as our glue. We're going to take our candy nose and put it right in the center. Just like that. So it looks like a bear nose. And then these little eyeballs that you can get at a grocery store in the cake decorating aisle. We're going to do the same thing with the icing and put a little bit on back. And put them on the top of the bear's face. And we're going to do that twice because we have 2 eyes. All right. And that's our little bear. Okay, now we're going to decorate. So this is the fun part. Our hot chocolate's already made, so the first thing we're going to do is put our whipped cream on top. And you want to kind of make it like a mountain so that the bear has something to sit up on top of. And it just go around the cup. And sometimes it gets a little bit crazy, but I'm going to try and not make such a big mess. Cool, just like that. And then we're going to take our little bear that we made, and we're going to put him right on top. And it might make a little bit of a mess, and that's okay if it does. And then we're going to take a little bit of Christmas colored sprinkles, and we're just going to kind of sprinkle it on top to decorate a little bit more. And they go everywhere, and that's fine. Make a little bit of a mess, might want to put something down. And then if you want like a mint chocolate flavor, you can put these little mint stirs in if you'd like, or you can put a candy cane in. It just makes it look a little bit nicer. And that's our polar bear hot chocolate. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I want to take a second and congratulate Aubrey from Salem Elementary School. She's a winner of our Chartwells at-home pumpkin pie contest for Thanksgiving. She did a great job. Everyone who submitted a picture did a fantastic job. So congratulations to Aubrey for our Chartwells at Home Thanksgiving pumpkin pie cooking contest.